ashhadu
an
la ilaha
la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I testify that there is no one worthy of worship except Allah. And I testify that Muhammad is his servant and his messenger. Congratulations, you are a believer. Alhamdulillah. And Allah has replaced all of your mistakes. I would ask you to pray for everyone here, including myself, because when someone accepts Islam, one of the ways Allah describes that, He uses the word tawbah. Tawbah means turning back to Allah. So when someone turns back to Allah, Allah takes all of their mistakes in life